we're back in action. Get these windows up a bit so you can hear me. We are heading out to check out Jake's new VW Bug. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, you guys got to see this thing. It's apparently a very, very fast bug, and so yeah, it should be a great time. And let's see just how naughty this thing is.
And I'm going to Virginia in the morning. So
oh, dude, I didn't know it came with the 30s on it. He's got Volks off the top.
Dude, this thing.
You got Volks off the top, bro. You got Volks off the top. Look at this thing, dude. This thing is beautiful. The color is insane. Look at it. I mean, it's right in the middle of the sun right now, just popping.
It's considered dirty right now.
Oh yeah, that's dirty. I can see the dirt on it, but it's still beautiful in the sun. You would never know. I love it. I love it. The only reason I know is because I see the small wheel TEs with the thickness on.
Like the channel. Yeah, dude. Just see what it does.
You want to see what this thing does? No one's heard this yet. Here's the first little. Oh, there they go. Oh, that's like
you're gonna do launch control but not launch it.
that's like very loud. Like that's like that's insane. That's insane. Oh, dude, it's like it's like tenfold your last RS3.
And it doesn't sound all like.
It's straight tenfold.
It doesn't sound like clanky, like raspy or anything. It just sounds clean.
Oh, yeah, oh, it sounds insanely good. It sounds insanely good. I want to see. Yeah, I want to see the difference under the hood.
It's actually really not that here.
I bet it's not. That's. I just want to see the firewall.
It's just literally got the whale boner.
It does have a whale boner.
It does have an engine catch can finally. You got one of those.
That's
the inlet's like ridiculously big.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. It's like 4.5 inch probably.
You can't even see past the inlet.
Yeah, I bet the opening's like 4.5 or something crazy. Maybe
So,
big, I don't know.
It's fun, dude. And
Hell yeah,
throttle.
This looks insane.
Throttle for a second, you're like, okay, it's where's that? It's just mild, and then it's like, it's just like fucking all.
Yep,
just
I bet
hits you.
I bet it's a train
Yeah.
like so hard after like 4,000. You're just like, oh
And even
god.
like when I first get into it, it's still fast.
Mm-hmm.
Like, really fast. Yeah.
I mean, what were you on that little pool right here? Forward throttle?
Yeah. Because there was cars in front of us.
Yeah. We're on ceramic, so you're stopping pretty quick.
Ceramics are loud.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Yeah, they're loud.
That thing is gonna be
I want to
killer out
launch
here.
it off a light or something.
Yeah. I wish we could just hold this light up right here.
Say what?
I wish we could just hold this light up right here.
I know.
I like the way that
Actually.
that the Unitronic thing that just kind of sits there, kind of look nicely.
Keep an eye on that when I'm in my pull, because that's boost.
I got you.
I want to know what it actually hits.
I kind of like the no screen here.
Yeah.
Sort of.
I need to move. I think I need to move that because I can't see the stoplight sometimes. I've realized. Like I can't see when it turns green because it fucking blocks it.
Yeah.
Other than that.
Oh. Nice, Don. Oh my god. That's not even fair.
I was shifting at 6,000.
I can feel it just go, like the climb. It's just like non-stop.
It needs fuel.
Oh, I bet.
You got the turbo on.
Oh my god. Woo! 36 pounds.
36?
Yeah.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Should make more in the cold, right?
What?
Should make more in the cold.
Yeah, you're gonna probably be up at no towards 40. Woo! Woo!
What did I do?
That thing, that right there was a rip down the thing if I've ever felt one. I mean, you were just like, it wasn't even like, if Michael couldn't, there wasn't even a chance. It's like, not, it's like, damn. And he's way faster than me, and so I'm like, damn, when he races me, which is crazy, which means bye-bye my car, pretty much.
I think it's going to be some serious competition.
Yeah, because like honestly, dude, I think I'm once you get up to that speed, you have to just be careful. If you're just like, oops, I'm going fast.
Yeah.
It's holy cow. I mean,
It's the 130, 150, no problem. It's just like there,
like that. Which means this thing's doing 180 easy. Yeah.
Easy.
Oh my god.
Damn, that thing sounds good. Race car.
It's pretty insane.
Yeah.
It kind of just doesn't stop, like at all.
Yeah, like whatever you got on that on-ramp.
It's ridiculous, dude.
You got on that on-ramp, I even took off before you. It's still just like, fucking gone.
Yeah, it
You
was
literally
nuts.
have to let off because it gets to a certain speed where you're just like, this is not safe. Like, it gets there so fast.
Yeah. Damn.
Earlier, we did a pull with a gear and a half, and I was at 150 plus. Yeah.
God damn.
It's like, wow.
Yeah.
And I was telling Jordan, it's hot as balls right now. Wait till it's like cold out.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's gonna eat.
I mean, when it's like 70 degrees.
So we made 36 something pounds on one of them.
Yeah, it was like 36.4 pounds is what we were at.
Holy shit.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep it G with y'all. That thing is stupid fast. Like, that thing just rips. So things are gonna be interesting out there in the southern parts of the areas of places of lands and things. So I think you know what we're talking about, that Mexico. But yeah, so be ready for that. I'm definitely going to be covering some interesting matchups over the next few weeks and stuff. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate y'all checking out this video, and we'll see you next time. See ya.